Guys, welcome back to another video on Jordan Venom underscore 23, and in this video we'll be dealing with how to get your Google Play Music back if you really miss it and really want to use it again. This is the thing that I discovered over the weekend while I was busy just messing around, seeing what'll happen. Anyway, sorry for the bad camera angle firstly, and shaky hands. I don't have a tripod as yet. So first thing you're gonna do, scroll up to your menu of apps, look for your settings app, click your settings, then go to your apps and notifications, then look at all your apps. It'll be there. See all 61 apps for me. For you it'll be any number because I don't know how many apps you have. Then you scroll down, you look for your Google Play Music, which I have found. Then you click disable. It'll give you this error. That's totally fine. Then you re-enable it. Then you go in your storage, clear data. If you have any accounts, please remember the password and name so you can sign in again. Files, settings and databases, it'll tell you. Then click OK. Then it'll clear cache as well, so that's good. Then now you're gonna go down or close this app out of settings. You can go down in your Google Play Music. Wait for it to load. You can do this if you're on Wi-Fi. I'm not connected to the internet, that's why it's a server error. You go into your music library. It should be songs. I have all my stuff available to me, and it's just for you to see. So I will go in my settings and show you. So I still have my EQ and whatever, but I don't use the equalizer and whatever. I just leave it off. Like, I'm still learning the steps of using an EQ. Don't scream at me in the comment section. But anyway, all I worry about is listening to music, and this I listen to my audiobooks or whatever, and it's good, it's working. So that is it basically for now, and I'll see you in the next one. But wait, before you go, please like and subscribe, share, comment. Don't forget to share on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever. If you like this and you needed this, please share. Thank you.